Hello everybody, welcome back to Dad Fun, where I'm the dad and they're the fun. Today we're just having a little fun little Nerf war in the house. And I'm dressed up as a cop, so I'm the cop and they're the bad guys. And we gotta get them. Malcolm, where you at? Alright, good.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Now you gotta hop around on one leg. There's enemies in the main hallway. Don't mind this messy house right now. This is Dad Fun time. Ow! Malcolm, you gotta come out here getting a fire. Ah! Come on, you can't be jumping out.
I was reloading.
Reloading, you didn't even shoot nothing. Oh no, I'm out. I'm out. Not even any ammo here. Ow. Since you want to hide, I know where you're going to be at now. I think I got him cornered. Got him cornered. There's only one point of entry. Ah! Ow! Ow, my head! Ow! I got grenades! I'm not a good cop. Ah, I'm gonna lose my job. My first day on the force. Ah, Jackie and Roxy! Okay. Oh, it's gonna work for me. Attack! Attack dog! Don't shoot!
Don't shoot!
Ow! You almost got my butt. Ow! My leg! You got my leg, I got your leg. I'm down.
I say the girls win.
No! Game's over. Everybody make sure to hit that subscribe button. My first day on the job as a police officer is a failure.
And the girls take the victory.
Oh, shoot.
We won.
Yay!
Alright everybody, we are done with this little Nerf war. It was a small, short video. Clearly, I would not make a good police officer as I'm still being shot in the butt. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then we will clean our house.
We'll be cleaning up bullets for a month.
Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and enjoy the dad fun. See you!